Hey, it's Anthony with Universal Roofing and Restoration. We're here in the Sugar Land, Missouri City area. See right here, Universal Roofing. So we're doing a roof right here. This is a standard one-story, low pitch, about a 5 pitch. And we're using top quality. Let's see what we got going on over here. Check it out. So this roof originally had a 3-tab, 25-year shingle on it, or 20-year shingle. However, those shingles, they're really weak. They only have a 60-mile-an-hour wind rating. This house had over 100 wind damage shingles on it. So, as a free upgrade to the client, we're throwing in a laminated architectural composition shingle. Let's see what the difference is. So first, we have over here CertainTeed. Right, this is CertainTeed. This is a laminated shingle. It's a 30-year or lifetime from the manufacturer. So this is the good stuff. CertainTeed's been around a long time. So you can see the shingle's laminated. It's thicker, heavier. This is a good brand here, CertainTeed. And of course we got the CertainTeed starter strip. We need it. These are a must. Do not let your roofer or whoever you got doing your work put a 3-tab. Let your roofer or whoever you got doing your work put a 3-tab shingle and flip it over. You need a starter strip. You need a real starter strip. So let's see what we got going on back here. CertainTeed roof runner, synthetic felt. We don't use the black organic felt. We use the synthetic stuff. This is what you want. But Houston, very humid climate. The organic stuff's going to deteriorate. It's going to tear. Synthetic, that's not going to happen. You want the good stuff. So by the way, we got the insurance company to pay for this. You know what else we got them to pay for? So customer's fence was blown over by wind. It was leaning over to one side. We got the insurance company to cover the fence, or most of the fence anyway. So we got to go back, new 4x4 posts. Of course, we got to concrete everything in, and we're going to go back to standard size pickets. So the client's super happy. Get a new roof, new fence. However, this is all done. We deal with insurance companies all the time. This is what we do. This is our expertise. So call us. Let us help you. 281-616-5842.